Today is 25th December 2025. Right now we are going to DMart for some grocery and home shopping. So this was actually one of those very simple days, where we didn't really have a big plan. We just decided to go out for some shopping because obviously घर पे रह के भी shopping list ख़त्म तो कभी नहीं होती है. And since my family was in Hyderabad, somehow even the most basic plans started feeling like an outing. We went there thinking कि बस थोड़ा सा grocery shopping करेंगे and we'll be done. But I think we all know how that stories go. You enter DMart for 5 things and somehow you come out with a trolley full of things you didn't even know you needed. And honestly, shopping with parents is a completely different experience because they'll spend 10 minutes comparing two products that have a 20 rupee difference, bhai. But that's also what makes these random outings fun, right? Okay, then we left DMart and finally shopping khatam hui and we headed back home. Nothing particularly exciting happened that day, but honestly, I think these are the kind of days I enjoy the most. No big plans, no itinerary, बस family के साथ time spend करना. I just got done with the shower and everything, and we are going to have a lunch. Then our plan for today is there is one book fair that is here in Hyderabad. So हम लोगों ने सोचा why not to go there and explore. And after that we are planning to go to Hussain Sagar Lake, which is nearby that book fair. So yeah, I thought why not to vlog this day as well. Let's do my skincare and then we'll move to our makeup. For my skincare, I'm using Plum के सारे products. Recently I started using them and I'm finding them really nice for my dry skin. And this is one of my most favorite products, which is Dot & Key ka tinted sunscreen. If you are not used to foundation, or if you do not like to apply foundation on a daily basis, then you can definitely give it a try. I am using it in the shade Porcelain. So yeah, foundation and sunscreen का काम एक ही चीज़ में it can easily do. For makeup, I'll be keeping it really simple. Just will be applying some face powder, blush, lipstick, and that's it. A little bit of kajal to hide my dark circles. A little bit of mascara to give that volume to our eyelashes. And finally our lipstick. मुझे सर्दी जुकाम हो रखा है, so please ignore my face and my voice. And yeah, last minute accessories. I'm wearing these gold tops and my chain, which I always wear. And yeah, we are all ready to go. This was my first time going to a book fair, and you know what the biggest problem was? It wasn't finding a book, but it's convincing yourself that you don't need to buy 10. And there was just something so nice about walking around and looking at all these books. I genuinely wanted to pick up so many, but then I had to remind myself that buying a book and actually reading it are two very different things. It's so hot in here today in Hyderabad. Plus, I'm not feeling well. God, मेरा गला दर्द हो रहा है. Since I was not feeling well and बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी थी, so after the book fair we decided to head towards Hussain Sagar Lake. And honestly मुझे ये random walking around the city वाले moments काफ़ी पसंद हैं कि कहीं पहुंचने की कोई जल्दी नहीं, बस वॉक कर रहे हैं, बातें कर रहे हैं, आसपास देख रहे हैं, खा रहे हैं. एंड आई थिंक कभी कभी बिना किसी प्रॉपर प्लान के घूमना ही सबसे ज़्यादा फ़न होता है. और फिर फाइनली वी एंटर्ड इनसाइड द लेक एंड वेदर काफ़ी अच्छा हो गया था तब तक, तो ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा टाइम यहाँ भी स्पेंड करना तो बनता ही था हमारा, विच वॉज वॉट वी वर एक्चुअली डूइंग. एंड देन हमें पता चला कि यहाँ तो स्पीड बोटिंग भी हो रही है एंड माई डैड बीइंग एन एडवेंचरस पर्सन, उनको ये करना था ट्राई। सो ऑब्वियसली जब सामने स्पीड बोटिंग दिखेगी तो हम कैसे मना कर सकते हैं। तो बस बिना ज़्यादा सोचे हमने डिसाइड कर लिया कि चलो स्पीड बोटिंग करते हैं। Honestly, speed boating was probably one of my favorite parts of the evening. मैं थोड़ा डरी हुई भी थी बट स्टिल आई एन्जॉयड इट अ लॉट बिकॉज हमने एक्चुअली प्लान ही नहीं किया था। इट वॉज जस्ट वन ऑफ दोज अरे ये भी कर लेते हैं मोमेंट्स, और समहाउ वही सबसे मेमोरेबल बन गया। उसके बाद हम थोड़ा और वॉक अराउंड करते रहे, पिक्चर्स क्लिक करी, लेक के पास टाइम स्पेंड किया एंड बाय दिस पॉइंट आई थिंक हम सबको थोड़ी भूख भी लगने लगी थी। तो ऑब्वियसली नेक्स्ट स्टॉप वॉज फूड, फॉर विच वी अराइव्ड एट द EMB मॉल का हल्दीराम बिकॉज छोले भटूरे फैंस असेंबल हेयर। And it was so good, and honestly this is where I wish I had more footage from that day, because after this my body basically decided that the Hyderabad exploration needed to come to an end.
Several days later.
Hello everyone. So the last time when I vlogged was on 25th I think, or 26th, whatever. उसके बाद I showed you how I felt sick शरद सिटी कैपिटल मॉल के बाद। We directly came home and I was down with fever, cold and cough. तो मैं आके तुरंत सो गई। 2 days I was on complete bed rest because I was having very high fever. अब आज I am okay. I still have cold and cough, but thank you for watching it till the end. And if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Take care. Bye.